Welcome to our Rapid e-learning series on calendar settings. Today's session on calendar settings is part of a series of Rapid e-learnings. To access this list of additional courses, go to the training section off of the Google Project site on the Mint. During this session, you will tour general Google Calendar settings, locate and make changes to some of your calendar settings, and locate additional resources. To launch Gmail from your desktop and activate Calendar, double-click on the Google icon located on your desktop. You can also launch and use Gmail from any computer by opening up a browser and typing in the URL mail.multco.us. To get started after launching Gmail, select the Calendar application or app in the upper left-hand corner of the interface. You will notice that a fresh tab appears at the top of the interface. You can now move back and forth between apps by clicking on the tabs. To view and change your general settings, go to the upper right-hand corner of your calendar interface, select Settings, Calendar Settings. The first setting you may want to change is the time zone. You can set your current time zone, and you can add an additional time zone to your calendar. Select Show Additional Time Zones. Choose the time zone you want to display. You can also create a label for that time zone. Select the radio button that says Display All Time Zones. Save your changes at the top of the settings page. And then, on the left-hand side of your calendar interface, you'll notice that it displays both Eastern Time with your label and Pacific Time. You can choose several date formats by clicking on the drop-down area to the right of the date. You can choose between regular time and military time. You can choose the day your week starts on, either Sunday, Monday, or Saturday. You can also set your working hours. When you set your working hours, people can invite you to an event, but may receive a warning if the event is outside of your normal business hours, provided you select the radio button to the left that says, Show a warning to other people when they invite me to an event outside of my working hours. You can set your regular hours, and you can opt to show weekends in your date view. You can also change your calendar default view to either a daily, weekly, monthly, custom, or agenda view. For example, as I change my view to month, go to Save at the top of my screen and save my changes. When I go back into my calendar, I now see the month view. Gmail also provides you with an option to customize your calendar view. I can go anywhere from 2 days up to 4 weeks. As I choose a 3-day view, select Save at the bottom of my screen. When I return to my calendar, it shows my 3-day view. By typing in my zip code or location, I have the option to see the weather based on my location. I can show events I've declined, yes or no, and I have the option to automatically add invitations to my calendar. For additional resources, you can go to the Mint, click on the Google section, where you'll see lots of information and additional classes to attend. You can also email the Google Guides at googleguide@multco.us. You can also contact the help desk. This concludes our session on general calendar settings. Thank you for your time today, and enjoy customizing your calendar with settings.